How to install DeepSeek AI on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to install DeepSeek AI on your iPhone and get started with this powerful tool. DeepSeek AI helps you find information faster and more efficiently, making it a great addition to your iPhone. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type DeepSeek AI and hit search. Once you find the DeepSeek AI app, tap the download button. This looks like the cloud icon with an arrow to install it. If you don't see it in the App Store, make sure you've updated your iOS to the latest version. Sometimes, apps require the newest system updates to show up properly. Just wait for the app to install, and then after installation, you can tap Open to launch the app. You may be asked to log in or create an account, so follow the prompts to complete the setup. And now you're ready to use DeepSeek AI on your iPhone. Try it out and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one. Bye!